Some Cisco business switches, including the CBS 350-4X series, have the ability to be connected to other switches and operate together as a single unit. These configurations are called stacks. Stacks are useful for quickly increasing the capacity of a network. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll explain some basics of switch stacking. Next. I have a group of friends who've played bridge together for years. When they first started getting together, the host only needed one deck of cards. As time went on, the game got bigger as more players joined. Eventually, there were not enough cards in one deck to play. The solution? Stack more than one deck on top of each other to create one big one. This way, the dealer didn't have to keep using one deck or handle multiple smaller decks. It improved efficiency, keeping the bridge hands flowing. In computer networks, switches are like the card dealer, and the cards are like the data being sent. Switches send and receive information between different devices, including computers and printers. Sometimes, a network can have so many devices that one switch isn't enough to handle all the data traffic. That's where switch stacking comes in. Instead of using multiple individual switches, network administrators can stack them together, creating a tower. By connecting them using special cables, the switches start working as a single, powerful unit. Once switches are stacked, they become more efficient at managing the network. They can handle a larger amount of data traffic, just like the stacked card deck had more cards available for the game. Devices connected to the network can communicate faster and more smoothly. In addition to being more efficient, switch stacking simplifies network management. Instead of configuring and monitoring each switch separately, you only need to focus on the active switch in the stack. Control and changes over all the switches can be done there. Another advantage of switch stacking is redundancy. If one switch in the stack stops working, the other switches can still keep the network running. It's like having backup players in a game. Even if one player can't participate, the others can continue playing without interruption. With all these benefits to help your busy network stay efficient, switch stacking may be just what you need. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.